Hey everybody, Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your midday update. Okay, so 5-minute chart, and what we've seen is we've seen a steady move. Move off of this, the opening print of OPG was 64.75. You started to build a base here, 62s, and then, basically we have pretty much tried to be trend up throughout the day. They're trying to make a higher high now. They converted our proprietary upper level, which allowed anybody that wasn't long with us from here could get long here, and it's given an opportunity to get back in here. So the AD is brushing back up into the 300 area. The high on the advanced decline on the S&P today is 353. If you're going to see, what I like to call Friday happy fun time, Friday Happy Fun Time is going to take a new high on the AD. That would take you on the continuation chart. It's going to take you over the top of the January high, up over those 78s. We've printed 77 quarter already. And frankly, it's just come too darn close not to go print that as well. So the bears have had opportunities. They've had opportunities today. They've had opportunities throughout the week. They may have more opportunity between now and 4 o'clock. But when it comes to executing on those opportunities, they continue to fall short. The 55 from yesterday and the 55 in the overnight has proven to be too much. It's traded as much as 22 handles up off of that area. So what have we been doing? Well, it's pretty simple. 8:45 in the morning, we got long against 62. Anybody that didn't do that, or anybody that wanted to get in a little bit more, a lot of people punched out up in the 73 area, and then we got right back in on this test of our 70-75 upper area, long in the 71 area for a move up to the highs, and then the ability to get back in for anybody that wanted to. And we're currently high now. We're currently long now, 72. So another good day in the room, another solid room, another solid day in the room, another solid example of, this is what we do. We don't overcomplicate it. We don't try to outthink the market. When the market wants to go up, we want to be long. Market wants to go down. If the bears want to execute, we're going to be there on the other side. So everybody have a fantastic rest of the day, a fantastic weekend. Take care, trade them well, and I'll see you next week.